Eating turkey every day can have both positive and negative effects on your body, depending on the quantity consumed and your overall diet. Here's an overview of what can happen when you eat turkey daily. Positive effects. Protein intake. Turkey is a lean source of protein. Consuming it regularly can help you meet your daily protein requirements. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. Amino acids. Turkey is rich in essential amino acids, including tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that can improve mood and promote a sense of well-being. Nutrient density. Turkey contains essential nutrients like B vitamins, especially B3 and B6, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients are necessary for overall health, metabolism, and immune function. Negative effects. Excessive fat. While turkey is leaner than many other meats, some cuts can still be relatively high in saturated fat and calories. Consuming high-fat turkey cuts regularly can contribute to weight gain and increased risk of heart disease. Sodium content. Processed turkey products like deli meats or bacon can be high in sodium, which may increase the risk of high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues if consumed in excess. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to turkey, which can lead to various allergic reactions, including skin rashes, digestive problems, or respiratory issues. Lack of variety. Eating turkey every day may lead to a limited diet, which can result in nutrient deficiencies. A well-rounded diet that includes various protein sources, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential for optimal health. Antibiotics and hormones. If the turkey you consume has been treated with antibiotics or growth hormones, long-term consumption may raise concerns about the potential impact on your health. Food safety. It's crucial to handle and cook turkey properly to prevent foodborne illnesses. Overconsumption of undercooked or contaminated turkey can lead to infections like Salmonella or Campylobacter. Ensure that you cook turkey thoroughly, following food safety guidelines. Special considerations. People with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions, such as those following a low-sodium diet or individuals with gout, should monitor their turkey intake carefully, as some processed turkey products can be high in sodium and purines.